Hi everyone, welcome back to RS Computer Solutions. In today's video, we're going to learn how to download and install Proxmox VE 9.3 step by step. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Proxmox website, www.proxmox.com. Click on Downloads at the top menu. Under Proxmox Virtual Environment, select Proxmox VE 9.3 ISO installer. Click Download to get the ISO file. Once the download completes, you'll have the Proxmox VE 9.3 ISO ready for installation. Next, we'll create a bootable USB drive using the ISO. You can use tools like Rufus. Open Rufus. Select your USB drive. Choose the downloaded Proxmox ISO. Click Start to make it bootable. Now your installation media is ready. Insert the USB drive into the system where you want to install Proxmox and boot from it. When the Proxmox installer menu appears, select Install Proxmox VE. Follow the installation steps. Select your installation target disk. Choose your country, time zone, and keyboard layout. Set a strong root password and email address. Configure network settings, assign a hostname, IP address, gateway, and DNS server. Once done, click Install. The installation will take a few minutes. After installation is complete, remove the USB drive and reboot your system. Once the system boots, you'll see the management URL displayed on the console. In your browser, you might get a security warning. Just proceed to the page. Now, log in with username, root, password, the one you set during installation. You'll now see the Proxmox dashboard, the control center for managing all your virtual machines and containers. And that's it. You've successfully installed Proxmox VE 9.3. In the next video, we'll show you how to create and manage virtual machines inside Proxmox. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to RS Computer Solutions for more tech tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.